Welcome on Ocean School. I am Lorenzo, your host, and I am learning to sail from scratch. And here's the catch. I don't even have a sailboat yet. I have spent time on small motorboats, but sails, that's a whole different world. So how do you go from zero experience, no boat and no clue to actually becoming a sailor? That's what this channel is all about. Planning, preparation, gear, learning the lines, and eventually living aboard. I will share the wins, the mistakes, and all the mess in the betweens. No filter, no pretending, just the real journey. I'm starting this journey as a beginner in many ways. So if you ever dreamt about learning how to sail, or you are interested in the life on the water, or you just want to have fun and laugh at somebody that is trying to figure it out, well, this channel has something for you. If you follow me, we'll explore how to choose the right boat, learn the essential skills, and eventually set sails. Along the way, I will bring stories and experience from other sailors so we can all learn together. So if you ever imagine yourself out there sailing on the water, or you just want to join me as I figure out how to make this dream come true, just hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, and welcome aboard. The journey is just beginning. Welcome aboard.